You've probably heard about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but what the heck are they? In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Hey there, my name is Mr. FOMO, and if you're like me, you're probably wondering what all the fuss is about when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Well, don't worry, in this video I'm going to break it down for you and show you how easy it is to get started. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Ethereum, another popular cryptocurrency, was launched in 2015. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on online exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. Cryptocurrencies work using blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed database that records transactions chronologically and publicly. This means that all transactions are transparent and cannot be tampered with. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public dispersed ledger called a blockchain. Ethereum transactions are verified by Ethereum virtual machine nodes and recorded in a blockchain. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new concept, and it can be tricky to wrap your head around it. However, understanding how it works is essential if you want to trade or invest in cryptocurrencies. Hopefully, this explanation has helped you to better understand what cryptocurrency is and how it works. There are hundreds of different cryptocurrencies available on the market today, and choosing the right one to invest in can be a daunting task. However, there are a few key factors that you should consider when making your decision. First, look at the market capitalization of the currency. This will give you an idea of how popular it is and how much liquid assets are available. Second, examine the technology behind the currency. Is it well established and backed by a strong team? Third, consider the level of adoption. How widely is the currency used, and what kind of obstacles does it face in terms of further adoption? By taking all of these factors into account, you can make an informed decision about which cryptocurrency is right for you. If you're looking to get in on the cryptocurrency craze, there are a few things you need to know. First, you'll need to decide which currency you want to invest in. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most popular options, but there are many others to choose from as well. Once you've decided on a currency, you'll need to find a way to purchase it. You can do this through a number of exchanges, such as Coinbase or Kraken. Finally, you'll need to store your currency safely. This can be done by using a wallet like Exodus or Jaxx. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to investing in cryptocurrency. Please feel free to subscribe and smash the like button if you liked the video so far. Also, let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about it. When it comes to cryptocurrency, one of the most important things you can do is store it in a safe place. While there are many different options for storing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, not all of them are equally secure. Here are a few tips for keeping your crypto safe. First, never store your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency on an exchange. Exchanges are much more susceptible to hacking than individual wallets, and if your coins are stolen, you may have little recourse. Instead, store your Bitcoin in a personal wallet on your computer or phone. There are several different types of wallets available, so do some research to find one that best suits your needs. Second, make sure to keep your wallet software up to date. Like any other software, wallets are constantly improving and new security features are constantly being added. By keeping your wallet software up to date, you can help ensure that your coins are as safe as possible. Finally, remember that no matter how secure your wallet is, it's always possible that your coins could be lost or stolen. For this reason, it's important to only keep as much Bitcoin as you need for immediate use in your wallet. The rest of your Bitcoin should be stored in a secure offline location, such as a cold storage wallet. This way, even if your online wallet is compromised, your coins will still be safe. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are safe and secure. If you're serious about making money in the crypto market, then you need to be prepared to monitor the market closely and make changes as needed. That means paying attention to the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies, and making adjustments to your portfolio accordingly. It can be a lot of work, but if you want to stay ahead of the game, it's essential. Fortunately, there are a number of tools and resources that can help you with market monitoring. Cryptocurrency tracking apps like Blockfolio and Delta offer real-time price updates and allow you to set up price alerts, while sites like CoinMarketCap provide detailed market data. With a little effort, you can easily keep tabs on the market and make sure you're always in a position to profit. If you're thinking about selling your Bitcoin or Ethereum, now might be the right time. Cryptocurrencies have been on a roller coaster ride over the past few months, and Bitcoin in particular has seen some big swings in value. While it's impossible to predict the future of the market, there are a few things to consider that could impact the decision of when to sell. First, Bitcoin's price is still well below its all-time high from December 2017. This means that there's potential for further growth, so selling now could mean missing out on significant profits. On the other hand, Bitcoin's price is also considerably higher than it was just a few months ago, so selling now could lock in some nice gains. Second, investors' attitudes towards Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies seem to be shifting. After years of hype and speculation, many people seem to be taking a more cautious approach to investing in crypto. This could mean that there's less demand for Bitcoin and other digital currencies, which could impact prices. Ultimately, there's no perfect time to sell Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. It all comes down to personal circumstances and market conditions. If you're thinking about selling, it's important to do your research and make a decision that's right for you. As the world becomes more and more interconnected, people are looking for new ways to guide their financial decisions. In recent years, cryptocurrency has emerged as a viable option for investing and speculation. While the volatile nature of crypto means that there are risks involved, there are also potential profits to be made. For those who are thinking about entering the world of cryptocurrency, here are a few tips on how to profit from crypto. Once you have a grasp on the basics, you can start researching which coins are worth investing in. There are dozens of different cryptocurrencies out there, and new ones are being created all the time. Do your own diligence to find out which ones have the potential to grow in value. Crypto prices can be driven by a variety of factors, including media hype, innovation, and overall market conditions. When you've found a coin or two that you're confident in, it's time to start buying and holding. The best way to do this is through a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many different exchanges available, so compare features and fees to find one that meets your needs. Once you've set up an account, you can begin buying and selling crypto. It's also a good idea to set up a wallet to store your coins in, this way you have full control over your investment. Cryptocurrency is a complex and ever-changing field, but it can be highly profitable for those who take the time to learn about it and make smart investment choices. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to profiting from crypto in no time. Now that you know the basics of investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, it's time to get started. These assets can be volatile, but they also have the potential to generate serious returns. If you're careful and do your homework, you could see some serious profits. So what are you waiting for? Get started investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency today.